Robot vacuum. Goonvi Bionson 2100 Pascal's upgrade robotic vacuum cleaner with gyroscope, self-charging vacuum with boundary strips, pet hair, hard floor, carpets. 2100 PA powerful suction technology max strong suction to absorb dust, debris, and dirt. With automatic carpet supercharging function, easy to operate with remote control. Intelligent cleaning system 2.81 low-grade design, effectively identify furniture, obstacles and stairs. HASI degree of climb of 12 to 15 degrees. 0.5 L large capacity trash storage box, 2600 mAh lithium-ion battery. Premium features the infrared sensor prevents unnecessary collisions, anti-drop technology prevents falls. The automatic charging function ensures that it is always kept clean. Smart cleaning mode. A variety of optional cleaning modes and use included magnetic boundary strips to form a vacuuming zone. Quiet and noiseless thorough cleaning make it easy to clean while working, sleeping, or away from home. What you get: 1-year warranty, 2x 6.6 feet magnetic boundary strips, 4x side brushes, 1x extra filter, 1x remote control, 2 AAA batteries included, 1x charging dock, 1x AC power adapter, and 1x cleaning tool. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.